Hello, in this video we are going to do a step-by-step method of how to do the spectral analysis using the software. In the other previous video we look at the introduction of the interface of the softwares. So we are going to make use of this residual which you have and get something like this for us to see. Of course, you can see this portion here is the deeper sources for the whole grid, and it's around 2 point something, close to 2. See the value here, close to around 2. Then this is what we are going to use, which is inside this the folder. Inside this folder, AeroDepth depth analysis is inside there. So we are going to make use of that one. Residual, which is this, which we are going to pick it up. So now all we need to do, we go here, we load the data. Then we'll go to the place, depth analysis. Now we'll pick up the residual in projected. You see it? XY is in projected. Then click open. Let it load. You see? This was the same thing we have in OIA's montage. See the grading? Same. Now, first thing we need to do is to first select the whole area to get the stored area. Click at the top corner, then drag, come to the end, then release the mouse. You see it's going to snap, which has already snapped. You can see this is what is similar to what we see here. If we do the spectral here of this, you see result we get with the peak here, you can see it here. Then now if I take my depth, click here, just to selection to come here, I will get something like this. You see around 1.9, which is what we see here. And this is the shallow sources, around, most of them are below 500. They will come here just to show you that this is a very powerful software. So you can see this is okay. Just to show the deeper depth around that side, which works perfectly, as you can see, well match, and that value, as you can see, is actually less than that of 2, which is close to 2. We have 1.9 kilometers. Because remember, this is OIA's montage. This depth is in kilometers. Well, this is in meters, so it's almost the same. Now we have this selected, the whole area of the vehicle, export only the shapefile. Then we'll go to our desktop where we have testing. Under this, we'll call this one study area. Study area. All we need, we don't need this one here. Okay, then let's reset all. Then now we're going to start getting the blocks. We'll come here, we'll drag the first one. Allowed to go. Then we'll click export. You see, this will not pick it one. We are good to go. Then you drag to the next one. Allow it to go. It picks, then export. So this is what we're going to do. The third one, do the same thing. For the fourth one, we come here, move it to this point. Overlapping blocks. Okay, we export. This now is the fifth one. They'll move here. And this is the sixth one. You do up to the seventh one. See overlapping blocks. Then we export. 7 is automatically named. Then this is the 8th one. Closer is going to snap. We have this. This is the 8th one. Then click. They'll come here. The 9th one is this. Export this block. Then the 10th, just drag it, then export. This will give you, this is the 10th one. Then move to the next, overlapping is 11. Go to snap, then we export. Okay, then the 12th one, so this is the 12th one. They'll move to the 13, which is here. Just drag it, hold the mouse and drag it. Then this is what we have as 13. Then you position at the center, just drag it. We have this, export the block as a shapefile. It's 14. I will click here to have this. This is 15. And last one is 16. So that will get all our blocks. Then we export. Okay, now you see that is all our blocks here. Then we now go back to our testing. Supposed to have them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So if that is okay, all you need to do is to reset all. We'll now start getting now the depth. So if we go to ArcGIS or ArcMap, go to folder connection, connect to the folder testing, our desktop. Here we have. Then we'll go to this, add data. We'll come here, testing, shapefile. We'll click the first, hold the shift on the keyboard, click the last one, then you add. Now you see them? This is what we have. So this is the stored area which I have. Now you see the stored area is there. If I take block 1, it's just to remove the fill color, all of them. Increase this one, change this one to black. See it? Then this is 2. You can do the same thing here to the other ones. Then okay, then this one again. So that's how we do for all of them. Right, so just to change the color and do everything here, then you see it. I start to come in. This is the 4th one. See, so if you do for the 5th one, it will remove that fill there. See, so this is, yeah, so you do for all the other ones, you see, so that you have the clear. So if you go to 1, the block 1, to show that number, the block number here, this is 1, click on this. Click on label features, under label, change to name, change this one to 12, then click bold, apply this. See, the number is there. If I want to do that for 2, I'll click on this to show the central block. Click on this, change to label field to name to 12, black, bold, and the rest. So you do, that's how you're able to get all the other ones. If you do for the 16, So if you do for 16, the same thing you have, name this is 12, then bold, apply this. So this is how you have those numbers. So you see, perfectly divided, overlapping blocks. All the other ones, you're able to get them. Now let's go back now to see, now we have been able to divide them. Now let's do the spectral analysis for the block. So we'll also export them. We'll click here and move. When that is done, then we don't need to do it again. We'll just be moving it around. Then we can hold here. Click here, it's good to go. Then now you click this point. Make sure that it's line of best fit you get. Then when it's done, then you come here, you say export plot. And at export plot, you go to testing images. Now this what I do it. Okay, all you need to do is to drag, go to the next block. It will update, then wait, then click here, like so, like this point, like here. So line of best fit. Then you click export. Then plot 2, you save. Then you move to the third one. Then you hold here, like so. See it. Then we'll export. This will give you the third one. And the fourth one will do the same thing here. Okay, let's reset the plot. So come here, click here, then this, wait for it to make a line, you click. The next time you click, that will give you the intermediate. The first two is for the deeper. Now you see, all you need to do is to export. That will be the block 4. Save. Then now drag it down to block 5. Wait. Then this point, maybe to this point here. Then here to here. Like so. So there it does balance. Then you can also play with it. You can reset here so that you adjust it well. Then block 5. Then move it to this block 6. So it's going to align perfectly. You don't need to worry much. You see, it has been aligned perfectly to the grid. Like so. Then here. Six, then 7, then click here, then here you need to click first. Okay, you have the second line, you have to click the first, then click here to give you the deeper, then click the third time, and then the fourth time that will give you the shallow sources. Then export this one as block 7, then block 8, click here, click here, then this will give you block 8, export it. You see how powerful it is. With a click of bot, everything is done. That snap. Then we hold up here. Then this point. That's this. Then from there we have block 9, block 10, okay, so we have to see it's like a double one, so we need to remove that one so that we don't click here, so you have to wait. See, it has given you it. Then from there you export to 10. Then you drag this to 11. You click, you wait. Click here. Yes, so this give you block 11. Then block 12. Click here. You need to click. Okay, then you click the mouse. Then you click back. So you have it set. So now you need to export 12. Then you move that down. You just move it and position it here. And release the mouse button. Is going to snap. Then this portion. And this. So here what we have. Then we'll click on export. This will give me 13. Then from there I have 14. Click here, and then wait for a line to be drawn. Then this will give you 14, supposed to be 16, and remain 2. Drag this one to 15. Go to snap. Then from here to this point. Then from here to this other point. So here we export to 15. And lastly, we'll move here to 16. This. From here to here. So wait for the line to be drawn. Let's click. Okay, it has been drawn. So you have to wait a little bit. And 16. So you see, I think we have all the one set. All the images that we have. See them 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So they are all set. So now after it's set, we need to go back to this and export our table. See, we have all our readings here, table. You click on export table. On that testing folder, you click on the spectral results. So this is what we save it. It has been saved. From there you can reset all to clear everything. The table, everything has been cleared, but the boundaries remain. Now all we need to do now is to go to software. Now if we first open the data we collected. What is this? Now you see it. We're going to copy this one, longitude. You copy. You open a new window Control N, then you paste it, then you select this one and then format it, let's say to 4 place of decimal under number 1 2 3 4. Center it, this, that, then go to the other one, go to the lat, Control C to copy, then you come here, then you paste. So now we have pasted, then we have this, center it, feel like you can just come here, center it. Then the last one is the depth. You can also do for the shallow depth, but I'm focusing on the deeper depth. See, then come here and then paste Control V. Then click here, then remove this one, you just call it depth. Then this, you can now, then there you now Control S to save. Go to your desktop, then under testing, this under testing, if you go under testing data, they'll call it one deeper sources. They'll come here on command delimited, that's all, deeper sources, and save. You see, it has been saved. They'll now close this one. There you see, this is the instant from 6 to 6.5 on longitude, 7.5 to 8. So once we have so far open, all you need to go to grade data, and go to browse by using Kriegen, then go to desktop, and go to that testing, then go to data. This is the deeper sources, open it, everything is set, long lat depth, yes, next, click on next, click on next, click on next. Then now this, like I said, this is 6.0. Look here, 6.0 to 6.5, that is the extent, 6.5. Then the other one for the latitude is 7.5 to 8, 7.5 to 8, 5 to 8. So that's what we have, 6 to 6.5, 7.5 to this. So set wireframe, make sure you set wireframe, you select it here, wireframe, new map, then finish. Okay, you see it? So this is a map we have. You can click on this map, then you can play with the tilt. You can now align it, see it? You can align it the way you play with it here. Then from there you take this, and then you take the bottom axis, you go to labels, the label format, you take it to the gray lat, then you take it to font properties, you can change this to 12. I think that's what we have here. We'll give it a name, longitude. Then the font properties, so you can set it to 14. Then you can bold it. They will do the same thing for the left axis, is latitude, latitude 14. Then you bold it. And then for the z-axis, that one is called depth in meter. Then the font weight is 14. Then bold. So think we have the bottom axis. So the labels, So you can play with it, and this is thing we have. You can do many other things from there. You can go to feature, then you click on the features, you click on text, you can click here to write the text. Depth to basement map of the study area. So that's how it's done. Then you can now select increase the font size, this, then OK. Then when you go home, then you select on this, you can position it. Anywhere you want. So this is what we have there. You click on this first one, hold the shift, click on map, then you click on file, then you export. Right, you go to testing, then this is image they call deeper sources. So you can do a lot of formatting there. When you click on next, you increase the pixel per inches, so that around 40 you get high resolution, and click OK. So it has been done. You see, if we open it now, see we have the images here, just like what we have. See, there's the basement map, similar to what we have in the previous one. And those are all how this was done. All you need to do now is to go back to till we click this one. We'll click on new. Okay. No. So now is to go back to this surveyors montage. This map, I think I've created my residual map, just like what we do normally. Then I can now go to arc map x msd save current. It's my residual. Under my maps, I'll go under maps. I'll call it, I've saved another one, but this one I'll call it rs2. Then save. Then click OK. So wait for it to load and save. Okay. And come to window, close all. You see the interval is 1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. So that is 6 minutes. If you convert 0.1 degree to minutes, multiply by 60. So you see we have this one. All you need to do to go to file, open. So you see you need to come to file, open, then we'll take the RS2D to show how to show them here. You see, all you need to click on this outside, delete, then click on this, delete, click on this, delete, click on this, come here, you off the coordinates, then click on this plus, you click drag to expand it, like so, then click back on this, then right click on this, properties, to put the coordinate, because 0.1 degree. So under grid, say new grid, then click next, 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 properties. When you finish, come back to properties. Then here under degree, minute, then set this one to 6, because the interval is 0.1 degree. Multiply it times 6, that is 6 minutes. Then lines, do not show, tick labels, set this one to 12. You have to left, you have to right, then you applied, then OK. Applied, then OK. So this now is an ArcGIS, which now is to just move this one a bit. Okay. From there, you can go back to add data. Remember, it was under testing. Now you see, you bring the study area, add it. So you're going to show under, then click on this to remove the fill. Then go to this, edit symbol, go to outline. I've already set my own. You can select anywhere you want here, but I already have my default. Then click OK. OK. Then you move it up. Now you can see the boundary. Perfectly stuck. Then this way you can remove this. Click on this drawing box. Come here, click. Now write residual magnetic intensity map showing spectral blocks. Double click on it to format it. Then now this, you click the entire. So you are showing spectral blocks. Remove one of this. You select like this. Then you center it. Change symbol. You can go with 13. The ball. Okay. Applied. Okay. I see I have this one down. I can hold this. I can move it a bit down. Then hold this one. You have done. Then you can save. You can come inside the knit line. Drag it around to create a border. Okay, this one is saved. Now let's bring the blocks. I'll bring the first four. I'll bring block 1. Hold the control key on your keyboard while you select 3 and 4. Let me bring them. You can see them here. I'll move them up a bit. See them? I'll take block 1. Then I'll say no fill. I'll increase this to this, get to 1, then OK. This is the same thing. Set the fill color to no color, this to 1. Outline color to black. Do this. 1, then this. No color, this is black. Come here, set it to 1, then fill. Then you have this. No, okay, no, let's go not fill, no color. This one is black. See them? Then I have to write those numbers. Then let me now minimize this one. Double click on this. That's what we did the other time. See, this is 5. Click on this label, then come here, you set it to 12. This, then come to edit symbol. You can choose any pattern here. You see, I've chosen my own pattern, which is this. You can look for down here, then click OK, then apply. But we have to change this to name. Apply, then OK. You see it? The one is at the center. Then you do the same thing for this one. See, all the blocks will now have their name. So now if you add, let's say I add 6 and 7, So this is how you do it. 6 all control O7. You add them, then move them up here. Alright, that is, you hold this one of color, set to black color. Of course, there is also 5. So it does, this one is just for you to know how to set the outline color to black. Click on the arrow down here. This is key. Now if you click on the 5, not the 5, click on the name. So this is what we have. This is 12, this is this. See it? So we have all of them. So if you continue like that, you bring in all the other ones, you do that for 6, you get it arranged. Then you come here, you arrange. So I think this is what we have. See it? So this is what we have. If you look at that 4, and look at 4, the width is 1. And look at 7. This is 1. Okay, so you see 8 is not there. So this is how you complete everything. Then you can now come here, you insert a north arrow. Right, so you come and insert the scale bar. So you move it down here. That's it. So this is what you have. Then you click on save. So you see 6 to 6.5, that is this, and 7.5 to 8, which is exactly what we have. You see it is actually perfect. So this is the way you arrange them whenever you finish. Click on save. Alright, then you can now come to file, then you export the map. Alright, so you see I've done the other one here. So here I'll come to desktop, testing, then images, then save this where we have it. So you see it's positioned well. It's just because of we are drawing map, so there is little shift here. So it's not that much problem. You can still up this one and then view your text box, cycle box, and then write number there. But this is the way it is done. Then now we go to the testing, images. Now you see it. If we now click, we're able to see it. You see it? So this is how it is. Because the way it's positioned it, to say you are. So this is the way it is positioned. Right, so this is the boundary. Not necessarily all you need to do is for you to know that yes, this is the boundary side. Here will be 8, here will be 9, and the 10. And this is how everything is done in the complete software. In case you see it's not, yeah, this 6 is not showing, then you will come here. Because it's the map that is shifting it a bit. Then you can just up this one, applied, then okay, because it cannot be done here. Assume that is QGIS, you can position it where you want to position it. Then here it does need for you to come here. Right, you can draw a cycle. It does draw a cycle. I come that size. You see, you draw a cycle, and that cycle will have a fill color. You said this is the fill color. The fill color is white, and you see, and the line color is black. Set it to black. All you need to do is to come to this. You write A. You come here. You click and write A. Click on this, and go here. Change this to 13. In case it's the center, change them bold. Okay. Then applied. Then okay. And now move this one inside this box. If you like, you can click on this. You scale it down. Then you move it at the center. You put your control key, Control Z. Put all your shift key, move it down. Usually, then all the control keys, select the outside one. You see, you have selected them. All you need to do is to move them now and center them here. You see them? Then double click on that one. It is 6, right? 6. You see? Something like so is done. So there's no need for you to, you can position it anywhere. Later when you finish, you can copy and paste them at the center to show them this is how the blocks are that you save. So when you finish now, you just click up, also export. See, you save it to this, that. See, that is the way the you see, this is the way it is. If you click now, you can see now we're able to see them. Just reduce the size of the box, that's all. Position it anywhere we want it. I think that is the complete tutorial of the videos. In case you have any question, no hesitate to contact me at ymusa.phy@buk.edu.ng. So I'll be able to attend to your problems. You make sure that always you click, drag, you select. It's going to snap, even though you see this dotted line are the grid lines. When you release it, it's going to snap the box. You wait, you click one, you click another one, it departs also. Okay, there you wait, you click the third time, the fourth time, another line will show the intermediate depth. They can just drag this, move it anywhere you want it. This will be the second one. Automatically you have it depth. I think this is all what we have. Complete tutorial. Thank you for your time.